Hello everyone. Today I am back with another video. So without any delay, let's begin. As you know friends that this channel created to learn drawing and painting, so keep watching the video till the end and enjoy it. Today we are going to color a beautiful doll. If you like it, then click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then click on the subscribe button. I hope you are enjoying this video. Share this video with your friend and family. Nice dress. Wow, very nice doll.
Oh my god.
Thank you very much for watching the video till the end.
Oh yeah.
Oh no!
Please friend, like, support and subscribe my channel. I will be back with more of this video. You take care of yourself, of your health, of your family. Till then, bye bye. Take care.